Nakyo mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala okuba
abantu bingi bari omukuru w'ekigombe kirukukura omupiira mu Uganda ekya FUFA Engineer Moses Magogo abakuru abandi okuruga omu FUFA abakuru b'ebitongole bitari bimwe na bimwe hamwe n'abataka nibo bayerunda ndaaro banga okushendekyereza omubiri gw'omugenzi Darius Mugoye abagamba harimu Mugoye abarimu Magogo hamwe na chairman wa National Council of Sports Ambrose Tashobya bamugambaho nk'omuntu abaire nakunda kuyamba abantu omwekambi hamwe n'omwebembezi murungi otiireho n'okuhera okukuza entaranta z'abaana omu muzaano gw'omupiira
nka region nka nkore nka western mwaferwa omwebembezi w'amaani mu bya sports mwaferwa nigashi twaferwa investor omu sports
abadde mukulembeze wa mupiira okutandikira mu Kampala nga ene waffe gyasiizira mu Western Region. Tukuloffe nga Western tujja kwebaza nnyo President wa FUFA.
Very unfortunate that for my first time to come in Uganda, I come when Mr. Darius was gone. Also, it is a great time to come and pay tribute to him.
One of the regrets I have is that he loved more other people than loving himself. I'm sure that if he loved himself the way he loved other people and the way he wanted other people to be happy, I'm very sure he wouldn't have died at this young age.
Magogo wakurra baziiki yasiima Mugoye habw'okuba omwesigwa owaabire naasiga omuntu bakashanga emirimo etambwire kurungi.
Mugoye yandibadde atakulira okuteekateeka kuba yabadde asinga okukikola n'olwaleero si bwe kiri. Njagala tukkirize nti Katonda kyagera kye kisinga okuba ekituufu.
Reverend Canon Duncan Zimugumyor Commissioner w'emizaano niwe yayebembera emikoro y'ekkanisa y'okuziika kandi yayehanangiza abeeka ya Mugoye okwongera amaani omu purojekiti ziyasigaho.
Yamwikiriza yakula yamwikiriza yagira ebiconco yabikolesa gye. He loved the people, he served his country, very patriotic, he loved the allies, he paid fees for the brothers, he loved the mother, he did that, he built a school, he had a football academy, he had a football club.
Mugoye bira ry'omuhwezi wa kabiri wa mukuru wa FUFA akafa rwa kabiri mu Kasheshe ubwa nyuma yo kukwata uburwire bw'akanya bwanya abwa TV West and Aloysius byamukama.